patient to microservice, hospital management system, the real-time project coding. Last three sessions. First session, build the project setup, patient service. In that next session, I develop the patient entity, patient DTO, patient mapper, and patient repository. Then last session, I develop the patient service, create to get by ID, get all patients, update patient, delete patient, and implementation. This is the service layer. We have business logic for the patient service. Now this session, I develop the controller layer, patient controller, patient controller is a controller layer. Controller layer. This is it as a REST controller. Develop the REST endpoints and one request mapping. Patient service, patient service, get the that implementation objects. It as a auto while provide the dependency injection instances. Next, I create mapping, create the patient details, the post mapping, public response entity, providing the status codes, patient DTV, create method, validations, valid, capsule, Jakarta validation, provide the request map, request body, in the body, provide the JSON data, the JSON patient information, patient DTO, implement the service of create patient, our defined method create patient, provide the DTO, the patient object, holding in the patient DTO, created, references are created, the return statement, return response entity, new response entity. That okay. Is created, and status activity. Okay, not okay. Take the body. Not coming. response entity, body. In the body we take created, status code, status, created, status created, response entity, entity create valid request body. In the body JSON data, body patient data, create the DTO, patient is created, message created, status code is created. This is the post mapping, post mapping, post mapping. This is a REST endpoint. Create the data in the database, MySQL database, save the data, get by ID, next method, get by ID, public, response entity, the response entity for the patient to DTO, get by ID, take the path variable, path variable for long ID, path variable for IDs, only one argument ID is required, return the response entity, but response entity dot OK, service dot get by patient ID, our dependent method, get by ID, providing the ID, that's it. Provide the get mapping. This is the REST endpoint for get mapping, for reading with the particular patient information. Next, get all patients. All patient response entity. The response entity. Next, list of patients. Saving the holding in the list of patients. Utility package. Insert the patient DTO. Forget all. Return, return the response entity. The response entity dot OK. Provide the service the get all patients, our dependent method, get all patients. That's it. Provide the get mapping. In the get mapping, get all patients. List of patients we got. Only get mapping, provide the particular ID, write in flash in the curly braces, provide the ID. Next, put mapping, update the patient, public, response entity, provide patient to DTO, update, the update method, expecting the ID and patient info, path variable for long ID, variable, long ID, the request body, JSON data, is the updated information, request body, patient to DTO, method, provide the ID, and PTO, update information. That's it. Provide the put mapping with the ID. Provide the put mapping. Put mapping slash elements. Provide the ID. Based on ID, we can update the patient information. Delete mapping, delete method, delete rest endpoints. The response entity providing the string successfully delete or patient ID is not there, providing the message to the end user. Delete method, expect the argument to path variable ID. Service dot delete patient, our defined method. Provide the ID. Return inside providing the no content. Body, the body providing patient deleted successfully. Patient deleted successfully. Provide the message to the end user. That's it. And provide the delete mapping. Delete mapping. And set that with ID. Provide the ID. That's it for delete mapping. What are the recap is patient controller. I create the class, make it as a REST controller. I provide the REST controller annotation. Request mapping, API, patients, provide the patient service for the objects, provide the auto while dependency. The post mapping, create the patient, I provide the request response body patient to data to create the patient in the database. This will be created post mapping. The get mapping based on the ID, get by ID, particular patient details we get. Next, get mapping, get all patients, list of the patients, and put mapping, update the entire patient fields, and delete mapping, with the ID, based on the ID, particular ID, we can delete the patient info, take the no content, provide the body, user understanding, patient deleted successfully. That's it in the controller class. Next class, we run the application and show the JSON data in the REST endpoint by using the Postman, saving the data in the MySQL database and MySQL database integration. Test the REST endpoints in the Postman. Yeah, thank you. Please subscribe, share, like, comment. If any doubt, comment in the below box. I will respond on that. Thank you. Thank you for the time.